Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Wednesday, August 24th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that can occur on a regular basis. We are showing 3 valid trade setups for a potential profit of 18 ES ticks. We opened up this morning at 1156.75. We don't usually trade for the first 15 minutes of the day. It's just a period of high volatility. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long, and it just barely touched our entry. We did not get filled, and price took off in our intended direction with no pullback opportunities for us to get on this run. Price action worked its way up and found resistance at the Globex range high, found resistance again. We then had a retracement, had an opportunity to get short, did not get filled in this trade either. We then had what's called an expanded trade entry. We did not take this in the chat room, so I'm not going to count it. But there was an expanded trade entry here, short, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 10 ES ticks when they are in yellow. That simply means that I'm not counting it for tonight's video, but it is a trade that's set up in the trade room. As the market continued on, we had an opportunity to get short. And again, this is another trade that we did not catch in the trade room, but it's a valid trade setup for you to see in your nightly reviews. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 16 ES ticks. Did not quite make it all the way down here to opening price. Bounced, retracement, entry, hit our first target, and then we got stopped out for -2 ticks. Prior to going into a no trade zone, which is from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. It's simply a period of lower volume and higher volatility. Coming out of the no trade zone, we did not have any opportunities to get into any trades until right here at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ES ticks. Another valid entry, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 10 ES ticks. We did have 2 hook patterns set up this afternoon, and I'm going to go ahead and describe that at the end of this video. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the TraderShark trading manual and trade plan, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening. Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com. This is the follow-up video in reference to tonight's presentation. I told you I'd describe 2 different hook patterns. We had one happen after another. The first hook pattern that sets up always has a higher probability of success. The second one, lower probability of success. In this particular case, they both materialized. This one started at a little about 1:20 or so in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, and completed about an hour and a half later here, right here. The second hook pattern developed at about 2:10 in the afternoon and completed about an hour and 15 minutes later up here at around 3:30. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you.